Hello, and welcome to the DVR Examiner 3 How-To video series. In this video, we will be discussing creating a profiler in DVR Examiner. We'll cover what a profiler is, how to submit one, and what information is helpful to include in order for us at DME Forensics to add support for a file system. If you see this window when scanning a hard drive, this means that the file system is not yet supported by DVR Examiner. As you'll see, you'll be prompted to generate a profiler, which allows us to collect additional details on the file system to eventually add support. Your name and email address are mandatory fields. This allows us to contact you about the file system, as well as notify you when support is added. You can also add details like DVR, make, and model if available. This is extremely useful to us as part of our reverse engineering process to add support for a given file system involves purchasing a DVR of the same make and model to perform our own test recordings and determine how files are parsed on the drive. The profiler collects a small amount of data from the drive, about 5 megabytes or less. It also collects the physical drive architecture, sector allocation, file systems, partition types, and file structure information. At no point will DVR Examiner collect any data or system information from your work system. You can submit the profiler in one of two ways. You can select to automatically upload the profiler to DME Forensics. This will be sent directly to us, but it only works if you are working on an internet-connected computer. Alternatively, you can generate a profiler to be saved on your desktop and submit it to us via email at a later time. It will save as a zip file, and you can simply submit to support@dmeforensics.com by attaching that zip file to the email. Generating the profiler can take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes depending on the specific file system. This concludes our how-to video on creating a profiler in DVR Examiner. I hope this has been helpful.